Enterprise SharePoint to Google Workspace migration, done right. Failed or delayed Microsoft SharePoint migrations cost firms months of productivity, frustrated employees, or extended expensive licensing for otherwise redundant systems. Files migrate easily. Docs, Sheets, and Drive are well supported by migration tools. But there's SharePoint. SharePoint isn't just files. It's legacy knowledge pages, forms, and complex Microsoft Power Apps. Google tools offer no way to automatically migrate to Google Sites or rebuild legacy Microsoft Power Apps. Steegle is an experienced Google Cloud build partner. We specialize in the hardest part of Microsoft exits, which is complex SharePoint intranets and business process application platforms. Let's see how it works in practice. An example comes from Baptist Hospitals of Texas, with over 2,000 employees migrating HIPAA-compliant and sensitive data from legacy SharePoint to Google Sites, achieved by Steegle with the Steegle.One solution. We also supported another Google partner when they migrated a large North American enterprise operating at true scale. We took on the SharePoint elements for this 10,000-user migration for more than 2,000 live pages, multiple languages and complex tables, and Microsoft Power Apps. To support migrations like these, we rebuild SharePoint ecosystems using a native Google stack. Google Sites for structure, Steegle.One for intranet features, and Google AppSheet and scripts to replace complex workflows or Power Apps. The result? Delivered on schedule, zero downtime, and 40% higher employee satisfaction. If you're planning a Microsoft to Google migration, whether you're an end client or Google partner with a migration project, Steegle removes the biggest risk. Book your migration assessment today.